This compact roll-up toolkit from Biker's Choice packs a thoughtful selection of hand tools tailored to common roadside needs for Harley-Davidson riders. The assortment of open-ended and combination wrenches, along with a sturdy adjustable wrench and ratchet, covers most fasteners you are likely to encounter on a cruiser or touring bike. Included locking pliers, hex keys, and a multi-bit screwdriver give you enough versatility to tackle small repairs without digging through a full garage toolbox. The presence of motorcycle-friendly extras like a tire pressure gauge, spark plug sockets, and a gap gauge shows that the kit is built with real-world maintenance in mind. Electrical tape, both electrical and mechanics wire, and cable ties make it easier to handle minor wiring issues or secure loose components well enough to get home safely. When rolled up, the kit is easy to stash in a saddlebag or backpack, making it a practical backup for long trips or daily commuting on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle.